Yeah, yeah, yeah. Welcome to Beyond the Block, everything crypto. Welcome to Beyond the Block, everything crypto.
Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're going to dive headfirst into the world of BlackRock.
Ooh, interesting.
You've probably heard the name,
Mm-hmm.
but do you really grasp the sheer scale of their operations? We've got a mountain of articles and data here, and
Yeah.
we're going to unearth the real story of how this financial giant rose to become a titan in the world of finance.
It really is a fascinating story. BlackRock's is one of incredible growth and influence.
Right.
They manage trillions of dollars impacting markets and economies all across the globe.
Wow.
We'll trace their journey from a modest startup in 1988 to the colossal financial institution they are today.
1988.
Yeah.
That's surprisingly recent for a company with such a massive presence.
It is.
Where did it all begin?
Well, the vision for risk management, actually. Larry Fink and a group of finance veterans, they founded BlackRock with a focus on helping institutions understand and manage risk, particularly in the realm of mortgage-backed securities.
Okay.
It was almost by accident that this path led them to such phenomenal success.
So they started by helping others navigate the often turbulent waters of finance.
Exactly.
That seems like a pretty solid foundation.
It was. And their expertise in mortgage-backed securities proved especially valuable in those early years.
Yeah.
They secured a $5 million credit line from Blackstone.
Okay.
And within just a few months, they were turning a profit.
Wow.
By 1989, they were managing $2.7 billion in assets.
That's incredible. That's a meteoric rise.
Yeah, it is.
What were some of the key milestones that propelled them from a budding startup to the world's largest asset manager?
Well, strategic acquisitions played a critical role in their expansion.
Mm-hmm.
One of their first major moves was merging with Merrill Lynch Investment Managers in 2006.
Oh, wow.
This dramatically boosted their presence in retail markets and internationally.
It sounds like they were playing a high-stakes game of chess,
Yeah,
carefully positioning themselves for dominance.
that's a great analogy.
Huh.
And then came 2009,
Oh.
a pivotal year for BlackRock and the world.
Yep.
They acquired Barclays Global Investors,
Right.
a deal that brought them the wildly popular iShares exchange-traded funds, or ETFs.
Ah, iShares. I think that's how most people recognize BlackRock.
Yeah, probably.
Those ETFs are everywhere these days.
Yeah,
But BlackRock is more than just iShares, right?
absolutely.
Okay.
While iShares are a significant part of their portfolio,
Mm-hmm.
they also have BlackRock Solutions,
Okay.
a division that plays a crucial role behind the scenes in the world of finance.
Intriguing. Tell me more about BlackRock Solutions.
Okay.
What exactly do they do?
Think of them as the ultimate risk managers for financial institutions.
Okay.
They provide software and consulting services that help banks, pension funds, and other major players analyze their portfolios and navigate the complexities of financial risk.
Gotcha.
Their Aladdin software platform, for example,
Mhm.
is used by a vast number of institutions globally.
So they're not just managing their own investments, they're helping others manage theirs as well.
Exactly. It's this combination of direct investment asset management and risk management expertise that makes BlackRock such a force in the financial world.
And it all started with just $5 million and a focus on risk management.
That's right.
That's quite a journey.
It is. And by 2014, they had achieved the milestone of managing $4 trillion in assets.
From $5 million to $4 billion?
Yeah.
It's almost unfathomable.
It is a remarkable story of growth and ambition.
Absolutely.
And by 2023, their assets under management had more than doubled again, surpassing $10 trillion,
Yeah.
solidifying their position as the world's largest asset manager.
Those numbers are truly staggering.
Yeah.
It makes you wonder just how much influence a company that size wields.
It's a valid point, and one we'll definitely explore further as we delve deeper into BlackRock's world.
Okay, so we've established that BlackRock manages trillions of dollars across a variety of funds and platforms, including the well-known iShares ETFs.
Right.
They also have a hand in helping other institutions manage their own financial risk.
Mhm.
But what does that look like on a day-to-day basis?
Yeah.
What exactly does BlackRock do with all that money?
Well, their primary function is asset management. As
Okay.
we've mentioned, they offer iShares ETFs,
Right.
which are essentially baskets of stocks or bonds designed to make diversified investing more accessible for everyday people.
Right. ETFs have become increasingly popular as a way for individuals to invest in a broader range of assets without having to pick individual stocks.
Exactly. And iShares has played a major role in that trend.
Okay.
But beyond ETFs, they
Yeah.
also manage a vast array of other investments, including real estate, private equity, infrastructure projects,
Wow.
and even alternative assets like hedge funds.
So they're not just putting all their eggs in one basket, so to speak.
Nope.
They're spreading their investments across various sectors and asset classes.
Diversification is key to managing risk and maximizing returns.
Right.
And BlackRock certainly practices what they preach.
Okay.
But remember, BlackRock Solutions,
Yeah.
their role goes beyond just managing their own investments. They're deeply embedded in the financial system through their risk management software and consulting services.
So they're playing both sides of the field, managing their own vast portfolio while also advising other institutions on how to manage theirs.
Yeah,
It's like they're the operating system for the entire financial world.
that's a powerful way to put it. And this dual role gives them a unique perspective and level of influence that's hard to overstate.
That level of influence certainly raises some interesting questions, especially when we consider the criticisms and controversies that have swirled around BlackRock in recent years.
You're right.
Their size and reach have attracted scrutiny from various corners, from concerns about their investments in fossil fuels to their growing presence in China.
It's true.
It seems BlackRock's story is far more complex and intriguing than just impressive growth and financial success.
It is. Their story is intertwined with global economic trends, ethical dilemmas, and questions about the concentration of power in the financial world.
Well, I'm definitely hooked. We've laid the groundwork by exploring BlackRock's origins and the scope of their operations.
Yeah,
But it feels like we're just scratching the surface of this fascinating story.
we are. There's much more to uncover as we examine the controversies, the criticisms, and the broader implications of BlackRock's role in shaping the global financial landscape.
I can't wait.
Me too.
We've established that BlackRock is this massive player in the financial world, managing trillions of dollars and advising institutions on risk.
Right.
But it's not all smooth sailing for a company of that size, right?
Definitely not. Their influence has attracted a lot of attention, and with that comes scrutiny and criticism.
Yeah.
One of the biggest areas of contention revolves around their investment practices.
Okay.
Specifically, their stance on environmental, social, and governance factors, or ESG.
ESG, that's the buzzword on everyone's lips these days.
It is.
So where does BlackRock stand on all of this?
Well, they've actually positioned themselves as a leader in ESG investing.
Oh, okay.
Larry Fink, BlackRock's CEO, has publicly urged companies to embrace sustainability and social responsibility, even calling for better gender diversity on corporate boards.
That's quite a progressive stance for the head of such a large financial institution.
Yeah.
But I have heard rumblings of criticism directed at BlackRock's ESG efforts as well.
You're right. The criticism comes from both sides of the spectrum.
Oh, really?
Some argue that their actions don't match their words.
Okay.
They point to BlackRock's continued investment in fossil fuel companies as evidence that their commitment to sustainability is more talk than action.
That does seem like a bit of a contradiction.
Yeah.
How does BlackRock reconcile those seemingly conflicting positions?
It's a complex issue, and BlackRock has maintained that engagement with these companies is key.
Okay.
They believe that by working with fossil fuel companies, they can encourage them to transition to cleaner energy sources. It's a strategy of engagement rather than divestment.
I see. So rather than pulling their money out completely, they're trying to influence these companies from within. But has that strategy been effective?
Everything crypto, crypto.